A fast-paced English quiz containing 40 mixed difficulty questions. Think you can get a perfect score? What does run around in circles mean? Answer C. Get nowhere. What does carry the can mean? Answer A. Take the blame. Find the best synonym of attractive. Answer B. Appealing. Choose the synonym of popular. Answer C. Well-liked. Opposite of occlude. Answer A. Reveal. What is the opposite of answer? Answer B. Question. What is the plural of galaxy? Answer A. Galaxies. What is the plural form of repairman? Answer B. Repairman. Fill in the blank. Answer A. She opted for a more strategic approach. Complete the sentence. Answer C. Who is in charge of the new project? Pick the past tense of bear. Answer A. Bore. What is the past form of eat? Answer C. Ate. Choose the past form of push. Answer A. Pushed. How do you spell this word? Answer B. Celebrate. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Private. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Graceful. What is the antonym of relaxed? Answer C. Tense. Opposite of rebut. Answer A. Accept. What is the antonym of teeter? Answer D. Stabilize. What word is closest to might? Answer B. Strength. Choose the synonym for eliminate. Answer D. Remove. Find the best synonym of bill. Answer B. Invoice. What does drive someone up the wall mean? Answer C. Annoy. What does fall by the wayside mean? Answer A. Fail or drop out. What does let the cat out of the bag mean? Answer B. Reveal a secret. What is the past form of congratulate? Answer C. Congratulated. Choose the past form of sweep. Answer A. Swept. How do you form the past of captivate? Answer C. Captivated. Choose the correct past form of strive. Answer D. Strove. What is the plural of category? Answer A. Categories. Choose the correct plural form of pajama. Answer B. Pajamas. Select the correct plural form of luxury. Answer A. Luxuries. What is the plural of kitty? Answer D. Kitties. Fill in the blank. Answer C. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Complete the phrase. Answer A. We kindly request your attendance at the session. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. If I had acted earlier, I would have prevented the mistake. Find the correct option. Answer A. Commercial. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Telegraph. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Perceive. Spot the correct spelling. Answer B. Encourage. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.